time to go ahead and fix up this old Dreamcast controller. It's got a nasty bite in the cable, a little bit of grime and gruff on the controller, a little bit of staining. So we're going to take the whole thing apart. I'm going to replace the cable. I got a new cable for it. I'm surprised they even have no cables for it. We're going to put it all back together, clean it all up, make this thing looking brand new, and have a nice looking Dreamcast controller. Let's do it. well, I'm all finished with it. I think it turned out really nice. I'm really happy with the way it looks. It looks a lot newer, a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Doesn't have a weird grimy feel like it did before. All the buttons and everything seem really nice. Got a brand new cord on it. I'm really happy with how easy the cord replacement was. I thought for sure that when I ordered the cord I was going to have to solder it, but it was just a really easy like kind of plug style cord replacement, so I was happy with that. And overall, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Next thing is we're going to plug it in the Dreamcast and just make sure that it still works. Well, here I am. I got the Dreamcast all set up, got it working again. Got my controller right here with the new cord. I'm going to take off the little kind of twist tie. First time taking it off. And let's see. And here's actually the old cord right here. It's pretty grimy and a big old bite out of it. And it just felt like the controller how it felt like there was a layer of like grime on it. Anyways, let's stretch out the controller cord. Let's plug it in. And seems to be working. 1998, eh? Hey, would you look at that? Let's see if I can and might as well try the only game that I have for this system because it came with it. Sega Bass Fishing. Even though this isn't the right controller, we're still gonna try it. But I'm pretty sure the controller works. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It was really easy to change the cord. I didn't have to do any soldering or anything like that. And yeah, I'm just really pleased with it. Got a really clean system now. Just all around. I refurbished the system last time. I refurbished the controller. In some future videos, I want to refurbish these, because if you can see, this has like a bit of a grime on it as well. Kind of like how the controller was. And this one's a little bit dirty too. So it'll be fun to open those up. I think I gotta get a watch battery or something like that. And yeah, because there's like 2 memory card slots. I think this is a rumble pack, but I'm not sure. And yeah, I just want to make sure that the triggers work. I think this is a fishing game, so I think the triggers will fish. Start button works. A button works. It was interesting, when taking these apart, I'm pretty sure that the triggers, and I think even the joystick, work off of magnets. Yeah, it looks like it does work. They reels it in. Very cool. Let's see if I can catch a fish real quick. Yeah. Turn the rod. Would you look at that? I caught a big old fish. Very cool. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a lot of fun making these. These take a long time to edit and produce and put together, but I honestly truly enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I just want to say thanks for stopping by. Keep on keeping on, and I'll catch you all in the next one.